3. Restart everything. Restart your PC console, relaunch the game. Also restart Ubisoft Connect. 4. Disable VPN proxy. MIKE-01 often appears if you're using VPN DNS changer, turn them off, and try again. 5. Allow game through firewall. Go to Windows Firewall, allow the Division 2 Ubisoft Connect, or temporarily disable firewall to test. 6. Change DNS helps a lot. Set DNS to 8.88.8, 8.84.4. Google DNS improves connection to Ubisoft servers. 7. Clear cache, PC fix. Close Ubisoft Connect, you can see the code in our conversation history. Delete everything inside cache folder. 8. Use wired connection, best fix. Switch from Wi-Fi LAN cable, reduces packet loss, common cause of MIKE-01. 9. Possible ISP issue, common in Pakistan. Some ISPs block or throttle game servers. Try different network, mobile hotspot test. If it works, your ISP is the issue. Quick summary, Mike will server down or internet issue or VPN firewall blocking connection. If it's still not working, tell me, PC or console, Wi-Fi or mobile data,